Good morning, day 18. So I'm back on the trail this morning. Took a couple weeks off, climbed the flat iron on the east side of the Superstitions. Took my brother-in-law south back into the canyon from Picket Post toward the river. Kind of waiting out the weather, but I just started today on Monday. Supposed to have rain all day Tuesday, snow down to about 5,000 feet. So the weather still isn't cooperating yet, but we'll see what happens. I got to go over 4 peaks in a few days and could hit some snow there, but we'll see. I'm going to start seeing more through hiking traffic. Ran into a guy who's in Superior right now, taking a 0, but he started March 1st and came through. Everybody else is so far has been flip-flopping. I ran into 2 gals that started at Roosevelt day ahead of me here, and they're going to the border, Mexican border, and then they're going to come back up here and go from Roosevelt north, which by that time things should start melting out. So it's not a bad idea flip-flopping this year. You know, we're going to get snow tomorrow. You know, the atmospheric river that's hitting California just keeps coming across to Arizona in waves, and if it goes south it'll put more snow in those sky islands, but this one looks like it's just gonna fill the Mogollon and north with more snow. They said down to 5,000 feet, so I could even get some here in the 4 peaks, but it all remains to be seen. I think I'm gonna get damp tomorrow, 80% chance of rain tomorrow, so I'll be able to try out my rain gear some more. So this is where the Grand Enchantment Trail hits the Arizona Trail. So if you made this turn here and walked a couple days that way, you'd be at First Water Trailhead, which is either the beginning or the end of the Great Enchantment Trail. So I won't be seeing any more of those people, but I have seen quite a few. That trail's getting pretty popular. But we're gonna douse the fire on day 18 here real shortly. So far I've beat the rain, and I just need another half hour, 45 minutes. Find a flat spot.